Hello, my friends. Today's lesson is about the pluperfect and the past perfect of the verbs to be, to have, and the first group verbs. In French, l'imparfait est le plus que parfait des auxiliaires être et avoir et des verbes du premier groupe. That's not difficult if you can follow the lesson. Okay, the verbs to have and to be, avoir et être, à l'imparfait. L'imparfait, the pluperfect. That's not difficult. Okay, just follow the lesson. According to the verb avoir, verb to have, you keep the verbal base here in underlined here, AV, and then you add AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. And of course, as usual, in red, the letters are silent. So, how to read this verb at how to read the verb à l'imparfait? It's not difficult. It's j'avais, j'avais, tu avais, il or elle avait, nous avions. Don't forget the liaison here, once again, with nous and vous and il, elle. So, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient, or elles avaient. Okay, verbal base plus the ending. The verb to be, it's exactly the same. The ET here, okay, it's the verbal base of the verb être, ET, and then the same ending as the verb to have. So it's j'étais, tu étais, il or elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, and elles étaient. Okay, that's not difficult. Verbal base plus the ending. And you see that according to the first group verbs in French, so the verbs ending by er, it is exactly the same. The verbal base plus the same ending. Okay, let's read the examples. Okay, the verb parler, to talk or to speak, and the verb chanter, to sing. So the verbal base here plus the same ending. So it is je parlais, tu parlais, il parlait or elle parlait, nous parlions, vous parliez, il parlait or elle parlait. Je parlais, tu parlais, il, elle parlait, nous parlions, vous parliez, elle, il or elle parlait. And of course, the same with the verb chanter and any other first group verb. Je chantais, chante here, C-H-A-N-T, being the verbal base and the ending. Je chantais, tu chantais, il chantait, elle chantait, nous chantions, vous chantiez, il chantait, or elle chantait. Of course, E and T at the end in red, these letters are silent in French. Okay, this is the imparfait, okay, of the first group verbs. And now let's have a look at the plus que parfait, okay? Des auxiliaires avoir et être. Okay. So, it's not difficult. If you understand how the imperfect is in French, then you have to conjugate the verb avoir and être with the imparfait here plus the past participle of the verb avoir and the past participle here of the verb to be. And it's always the same. J'avais is the imparfait, but j'avais eu, okay, the in French is silent here, and there's a liaison. So j'avais eu, tu avais eu, il or elle avait eu, nous avions eu, vous aviez eu, okay, liaison here and liaison here again. It's like nous avions eu. Nous avions eu, vous aviez eu, il or elle avait eu, okay? Ils avaient eu or elles avaient eu. Okay, this is the plus que parfait in French. And the same with the verb to be. Okay, it's avoir first. Okay, the imparfait of the verb avoir, always. Okay, but here is the past participle of the verb to be. J'avais été, tu avais été, il avait été or elle avait été, nous avions été, vous aviez été, ils avaient été or elles avaient été. Okay, here is the liaison. It's like here. Ils avaient eu, ils avaient été. Okay, that's not difficult at all. And now, sorry, the first group verbs. The same, exactly the same principles, the same rules. Okay, you need the verb avoir à l'imparfait. Avoir, the same conjugation, okay? And the past participle of the verb parler or the verb chanter. And the past participle is the verbal base plus the ending et. And that's it. I had spoken. J'avais, okay? Imparfait of the verb avoir. J'avais, and then parler. Et, you drop er and you add et, and that's it. It's always the same. That's why you need to know the imparfait in French. J'avais parlé, tu avais parlé, elle avait parlé, nous avions parlé, vous aviez parlé, ils avaient parlé, or elles avaient parlé. And the same with the verb chanter. J'avais chanté, I had sung. Okay? J'avais chanté, tu avais chanté, il avait chanté, elle avait chanté, nous avions chanté, vous aviez chanté, ils avaient chanté, or elles avaient chanté. Okay, and that's it for today. That's very easy. French is very easy. So if you want to improve your French, don't hesitate to watch this video 1 or 2 more times. And if you liked it, you know what to do. Share it with your friends, subscribe, comment, activate the notification bell, and watch my next videos coming soon. Bye bye.